Our next topic is reflection of light. In this reflection of light, the surface of water can also act as a mirror and change the path of light. So see the reflection of Taj Mahal in water. So when light falls on an object, some of it is absorbed and the rest is bounced back. So the definition of reflection is the bouncing back of light from the surface of an object is called reflection. And in other words, light is reflected better by smooth and polished surfaces. For example, in this activity, there is a reflection of torchlight on different objects. You will see in this a mirror, a bright patch of light is seen on the screen. Similarly, in the case of steel plate, a patch of light is visible on the screen. But when we use a paper sheet, no patch of light can be seen on the screen. That means shiny and polished objects like steel plate, mirror reflect more light and form a bright patch on the screen, whereas rough and dull surfaces reflect less light and do not make a patch on the screen. So next in this activity, the beam of light that hits the surface of the mirror gets reflected and the path taken by the ray of light is shown in the ray diagram. So this is the ray diagram, and the ray of light that falls on the surface of the plane mirror is called incident ray, and the one that is reflected off the surface of mirror is called reflected ray. In this ray diagram, this is clearly visible incident ray and a reflected ray, and we can say that the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. After that, we will discuss about what is image. Image can be defined as the appearance or picture of a real object formed by the light that passes through a lens or is reflected from a mirror is called image. The nature of image depends upon the nature of mirror. There are two types of images, real images and virtual images. An image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image, whereas an image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. And the real image, it can be taken on the screen and it is always inverted, and its size may be small, smaller, bigger than the size of the object. Whereas the virtual image, it cannot be taken on a screen and it is always erect and its size may be the small, smaller, bigger than the size of the object. Next we will discuss about mirror. Any smooth or polished surface which can reflect a ray of light is called a mirror. And there is two types of mirror, plane mirror and spherical mirror. A plane mirror, when the reflecting surface is plane, the mirror is called the plane mirror, while a mirror with spherical or curved reflecting surface is called spherical mirror. A spherical mirror is a part of a hollow sphere, and spherical mirrors are of two types. First one is concave mirror and second one is convex mirror. A concave mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards, and the convex mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward, that is convex mirror.